Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First, we want to open up Google Chrome. Make sure that you have the latest version of Chrome, update Google Chrome if it needs updating, and then type Chrome:/. Enter it into the URL bar. When you do, you'll get to this page in Google Chrome and you'll see this little search bar that says Search Flags. Now type dark mode in it. You will see this option in the search results that's called Auto Dark Mode for Web Contents. Just enable this option by clicking right here on this button. Make sure that this isn't labeled. Then we're going to see this relaunch button, so you want to tap on that. This will close our Google Chrome app, and it will reopen it with the dark theme applied. Every web page you open in Chrome will have this cool darkening color. It will really be easy on your eyes. If I open the Google results, you can see it's easier to read articles and all other stuff, and YouTube will also have this cool dark color on it. That's how you can apply the dark theme in Google Chrome. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.